There are three stratigraphic units in zaluch group: formation, Virgil formation, and Chidru formation. In this video, I will show you a method for learning these three stratigraphic units and sequence according to their age, according to their period of deposition. 1. Keywords. 2. Story. And 3. Watching the story. Keyword. Zalmi. Zalmi is a substitute word for zaluch group, while the watch will remind you these three units. W for Virgil formation, A for formation, and CH for Chidru formation. For writing correct sequence, you must write A formation before Virgil formation and then Chidru formation. With the help of story, we will associate these three units in a ridiculous way or in a funny way. For example, you are watching Zalmi cricket match and the ball comes out from television screen and chop up your head. And third step, watch this story just like you are watching a movie. Once you learn these three units by this method, then their contexts are obvious from this sequence. For example, the lower contact of Virgil formation is conformable with formation, while the upper contact is conformable with Chidru formation. The importance of this method is that you will never forget this sequence again.